I'm so excited to transform my place. My peace lily was with me for a long time but sadly didn't make it, so I decided it's time to bring some new greenery into my home. I headed to a nursery, explored all the beautiful plants, and after a lot of looking around, I thought I would pick a few snake plants, but once I saw the bonsai, I picked the bonsai and a giant elephant ear plant. And also, for me, potting a plant may make a mess in my balcony, so I took the nursery staff help. So they helped me to pot the plant. Now they would be ready to place as soon as I go home. And also, I'm so excited to see how they transform my space. Stay tuned for the next video where I'll show you how these plants look in my house. If you want more details about the nursery and about the plant prices and all, please DM me. Thank you for watching and follow me for more updates.